Welcome to the Business Law course. This course will make out and analyze the case Roku Incorporation versus Netflix Incorporation business law case. I'm going to explain you with the detailed legal explanations and solutions to the business law case. Let's get started. As I previously mentioned, this business law case Roku Incorporation versus Netflix Incorporation 2022-2023. This is a real example inspired by developments based on Roku's B2B dispute. A real basic business law case that directly concerns contractual obligations, good faith, and the rights of the parties. Material, business law, contract law, and commercial agreement. Let me give you a brief summary of this case. Roku, a streaming device manufacturer, had a licensing and distribution agreement with Netflix. The agreement specified exclusivity of app placement, advertising collaboration, and data sharing. As Netflix expanded its global ad-supported model, Roku claimed Netflix violated exclusive placement clauses and data usage restrictions. Legal issues here with the questions for talk. Did Netflix breach contractual terms by placing its entire app preferentially on rival platforms? Was Roku entitled to specific performance or damages? Were clauses regarding app positioning sufficiently transparent and enforceable? Outcome of this business law case 2023 settlement are the parties settled confidentially, but industry insiders confirmed that Netflix paid damages reported exceeding $30 million. Roku maintained certain placement rights in North America. Both parties revised their advertising and interface policies. Why this matters in business law? Actually, this case demonstrates how B2B streaming and tech contracts are evolving in the digital space. It demonstrates the importance of clear commercial terms, especially regarding exclusivity, IP use, and app visibility. It reinforces the doctrine that vague clauses lead to litigation, especially when global digital strategies are involved. Business law takeaway. Contracts in tech and media must be defined rights and limitations precisely. That's placement, ads, KPIs, and etc. Breach of contract even without malice can result in substantial financial and reputational loss. Clauses around territorial exclusivity, context, display, and matrix sharing are becoming central business law practice. So that's all for this short and brief version of the business law case. If you would like to get more, kindly ask you to support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing my YouTube channel for free profitable video lessons. Also advise all PDF formats, materials, and books and resources you will be find on my Telegram channel. So you're free and welcome to join my Telegram channel as well. And thanks for watching.